Okay, well, hi there, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Byron Elton. I'm CEO of CancerVax and a cancer survivor. Delighted to have you with us here today. It's 11 o'clock on the West Coast, wherever you're joining us from. We're thrilled to have you join us today. We've had some amazing and exciting news at CancerVax recently, and we're excited to share some new developments about our comings and goings and the milestones that we've reached and how we're making real progress towards something that, quite frankly, at one time seemed and sounded impossible, and that's a universal cancer treatment. So, if you're new here, CancerVax is developing next generation immunotherapies that use the body's own immune system to hunt down and destroy cancer cells while leaving healthy cells untouched. And that's a really important dynamic here. In the past, as you know, traditional therapies, chemotherapy, and radiation do a good job at killing cancer cells, but they also kill a lot of healthy cells and some really nasty side effects. So we've recently achieved another milestone that brings this vision of ours even closer to reality. So whether you've been following us regularly, this story, or you're just hearing about us for the first time, this is a great moment for you to tune in. I would say at this point, if you haven't spent any time on our website, cancervax.com, please do so. Lots of information on that, including on the front page, an explainer video. It's about 2.5 minutes long, does a fabulous job of explaining the technology and how it works in layman's terms. Also, you'll see underneath the video here a link, which if you'd like to have a conversation, and we'd love to do that, please click on that and we'll schedule a call for you to talk to one of our people. As I mentioned, I'm Byron Elton. My email is byron.elton@cancervax.com. Love to hear from you. I get lots of emails every day from people all over the world who are dialed in and supporting our vision to create a better way to treat cancer. And I promise you that I will read those and that I will get back to you on those. So let's talk about the latest breakthrough and the news that we're sharing with you today. Our precision therapy was able to target, now listen to this, able to target liver cancer cells while sparing normal liver cells. That's an incredible validation of our technology. Now, I want you to just think about that for a minute. Most current cancer treatments, as I mentioned earlier, chemotherapy, radiation, surgery, do not discriminate. They attack both healthy and cancerous tissue, which causes all kinds of painful side effects. Our approach is fundamentally different. We're engineering a system that tricks the immune system to recognize cancer cells as if they were foreign invaders, like a virus or an infection. A great example would be measles. You know, we get measles when you're young. The body's immune system recognizes it, produces T cells to attack them. And if it ever comes back, they know exactly what it is. That's what this technology is all about. And this latest success proves that our therapy can identify exactly which cells to attack, and just as importantly, which ones to leave alone. Now, that's precision medicine in its truest form, and it's exactly what we've been working toward. So, with this latest milestone, we've now confirmed that our platform can do three things. One, detect cancer cells. Two, tag them, mark them so that the immune system knows that these are the bad guys, this is the enemy. Three, eliminate only the marked and tagged cells without touching the healthy ones. This result that we have announced shows that the last step is functioning perfectly. The healthy liver cells were completely unharmed. And that's it's a massive green light as we move towards preclinical animal testing and eventually human studies. Now, as you can imagine, this doesn't happen overnight. A lot of very talented, passionate, committed people behind this. And each one of our recent achievements is built on the last one, creating real momentum for the platform. So if I can for just a minute, let me kind of connect the dots. First, we demonstrated that our nanoparticles could hone in on cancer cells while avoiding non-cancerous ones, proving that the delivery system works. Next, we showed that our therapy could disguise cancer cells so that the immune system thinks that they're infected. It tricked the T cells into attacking them. And that was a huge moment for us. That was a big aha moment for all of us at CancerVax. And then we announced we were expanding our testing to include liver cancers, specifically intrahepatic cholangiocarcinoma. Now, that's a mouthful, but it's one of the most aggressive forms of cancer out there. And that proved the flexibility of the platform. Remember, it's a universal cancer platform, a treatment platform. And now, with this latest result, we've confirmed that our therapy's precision, the ability to target these cancer cells and only the cancer cells. So now we've checked off all three boxes: targeting, finding them, disguising them, and then killing them and sparing the healthy cells. Each one of those steps represents years of scientific innovation condensed into an adaptable platform. Now, why does this matter? Most of the people that are watching us today are either current investors wanting to hear more about our progress, or people who are thinking about supporting and investing in CancerVax. Again, below this video, you'll see a link where you can schedule a call with one of our people here at the studio, at the company. And so the progress that we've made means one really important thing, and that is we're reducing the scientific risk step by step. Every milestone confirms another part of our universal cancer treatment platform, and that it's working exactly as we've designed it. We're really kind of operating, if you think of it this way, we're operating at the intersection of three major biotech frontiers. First is immunotherapy. Most people know what that is. The second, nanotechnology. And the third, an AI-guided drug design. Together, these fields are redefining how we approach complex diseases like cancer. And so as we move closer to preclinical testing and formal FDA pathway development, the value of our work and, quite frankly, the value of the company grows. And through our campaigns and the ability for you to invest, everyday investors can take part in the journey, not just watch from the sidelines. So if you haven't done it yet, please visit our website. Please click on the link below and schedule a call and learn more about our growing community of supporters. So in closing, I just want to say thank you very much to everyone who believes in what we're building. Creating a universal cancer treatment is one of the biggest challenges in biotech. But with every success, we are proving that the immune system can be tricked to do what we've always hoped: to recognize, target, and destroy cancer safely from within, sparing healthy cells. We've shown that the system can find, mark, disguise, and now protect healthy tissue. That's not just progress. That's a roadmap to a future where cancer treatment is smarter, it's safer, and it's more human, quite frankly. That's a roadmap that we believe in and that we work hard on every day. So if you believe in that future, follow our campaign, visit our website, schedule a call, share this live stream, and join us in the mission. Because together, we're not just building a company, we're building hope. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to do these every single week. We'll let you know when we're going to be on the air. And let us know what you think. If you got questions, please reach out and ask them. Stay connected with us. The next chapter is going to be even bigger. Thanks so much.